Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this lovely sunny day. I'm here today showing you the property just in front of me, and I'm just spinning around to give you an idea of the location. So today I'm in Hexham Road in Reading, and on the other side of the road you can see here is a play park, and there's a community centre over here as well. So where is Hexham Road? So this is on Northumberland Avenue, just off Northumberland Avenue, which is just down there if I raise it slightly, which is on a regular bus route into Reading Town Centre. There's a bus that goes around the area and will take you in as well. So the property I'm showing you today is a 3-bedroom family home, and it's been well looked after and upgraded by the current owners. So what I'm going to do, just take you on inside here through the front door, and I'll take my shoes off. So you have this lovely porch as we come on in. Just going to turn and shut it. Step back slightly to give you an idea. So it's a decent sized porch, certainly space there for coats, shoes, and maybe a buggy or two for this one here. One thing with this property is the size of the windows as well. Lovely big picture windows, lets lots and lots of light in. I do apologise about the noise with the birds. They're tweeting from the budgerigars. They don't come with the property, don't worry. But there's this lovely big picture window, lets lots of light in, and what's great as well, today being a very sunny day, really helps to set this property off. Heading through from the reception room, you have this gorgeous kitchen breakfast room, and again the size of the windows here, look at it, that there, 2/3 of the wall taken up with the window, lets so much light through as well. Coming on down, hello there, just giving you an idea of the size of the kitchen as well, just standing out in the hallway. So with the kitchen, it has these tile tops, which is a little unusual, but I think it really makes a good statement piece. Lots of storage, cupboard space throughout as well, and flows really well throughout the whole property. As this is an interactive, hello again, as this is a live and interactive viewing, do feel free to ask me any questions about the property that you might have. You can also request viewings and things like that. So once upon a time this was a garage, but it has been well converted into a dining area. They have used it as a bedroom, study, playroom, snug, whatever you want it to be. But it's a really good size. In here is your meters, all tucked away, and again it's lovely and bright. This lovely big window lets lots of light in with these and then the blinds on there as well, with a fan light on top, a little bit different. So what we're going to do, we're going to head on down the hallway here. You have another storage cupboard just to the side, which is your understairs storage. And then heading out to your back garden as well. Right, come on out. So there's this great covered area here, leading to the shed, to the chalet, and then astroturf for that. Astroturf in the garden, and lots of plants. So what I'm going to do, there we go, let's open this up. So the outbuilding is currently full of stuff, but it is a really good size space, fantastic for either chucking the kids out as a playroom, maybe a home office, something like that. Well built, nice wooden construction. There's electrics in here as well. And it's a lovely cosy area. There's the RCD board for the electrics for this one here. So it's been well built and properly done so, and would make would make a you know, a good retreat after a day's work, something like that. So looking into the rest of the garden, as I said, it's astroturf there, so nice and low maintenance, and then you have a rear gate back out which will lead you round to the alley for the bins and things like that, although nowadays most people are putting the bins out the front. Heading back in into the warmth. Let me just quickly lock that back up. What we'll do is we will head back through the kitchen, and I'm going to take you upstairs. So up here, so really nice thick carpet as well, looked after. So top of the stairs we then have the bathroom, lovely white units, and look at this here, lovely corner bath, really relaxing space as well. Good sized windows again in the property, lets lots of light in as well. And this is the thing, this house is surprisingly large actually. It's a really well designed, well built home, and has been a loving family home for a number of years, and now current owners are looking to move to another property. She's looking to downsize, kids have grown up and moved away, and she's handing it on to someone else. So that was the smaller of the 3 bedrooms. We're now moving into the panda room, and you can see why we've called it the panda room. Look at them all in here, but just look at the size of the room again. This really large double bedroom, currently with bunk beds and cots and things like that, but you know, you have got more than enough room for a double bed, wardrobe, things like that, and still have room in the property. Really well looked after, lovely and tidy, and again, look at the window there, that's flooding in with light. So down the end of the hall, this is the main bedroom, the master suite. Again, it is a very, very big double bedroom, and then this also has the added advantage of the large double sliding wardrobe through here, just showing you in the corner. And if I turn back round to the side, so we can see an ensuite bathroom over here, and I'll take you through. So this one here, really good size, so WC, and then there's a good shower in there as well, so all fantastic, and then a pedal sink. Oh, caught myself again in the mirror, sorry about that. And then what we'll do, come on through here, so it's lovely thick carpet, really good quality, storage on here on the side as well. So this is the boiler, and I'll just show you show this, because I know that's what everyone wants to see. And there's your gas combi boiler, made by Worcester, so it's a really good brand, nice and reliable. And then your pumps is there for the showers. So on the whole house is really spacious, and with these lovely big windows as well, and it is double glazed throughout. Show you there. With the house being the size it is, and what have you, it is a lovely, spacious, light, bright house as well. Lots of light comes through the windows, and yeah, it's a great area if you're looking to be close to the town centre, not far from the hospital. You've got local schools, just local shops around the corner, and also just up the road there's a couple of desirable schools as well. So regular bus route into the town, to the hospital and things like that. It is a really good spot. So that is the property on the whole. Oh, bit of technical issue there. There we are. So if there are no other questions, do feel free to get in touch if you wish to come out and have a proper view of this home. I don't think the photos do this place justice. I would highly recommend coming on out for your own private view. If you have got any questions, do feel free to get in touch. But thanks again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one. Take care.